Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I will tell about the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel dog breed. Until the end of this video, you will know all the necessary information about this. So keep watching till the end. Cavalier is a beloved breed that is sociable and friendly to other dogs and people. Here we will explain the origin of the long name Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, which is the official name of the breed, as well as the physical characteristics, personality, and points of raising of the Cavalier. By knowing the characteristics of Cavalier, please use it as a reference when welcoming a dog and how it differs from your dog that you already live with. Cavalier is said to be an easy breed to raise, even if it is the first time to live with a dog. But there are some points to be aware of like other breeds. To get to know the breed, let's start with the history of the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. For generations, the British royal family, which is famous for its many dog lovers, has been raising various breeds of dogs for a long time. In particular, the royal family Charles II, King Charles, is known to have been fond of toy spaniel, King Charles Spaniel. Of course, King Charles named Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is associated with Charles II, but Cavalier has the meaning of medieval knight and is collectively called medieval appearance. It seems to have the meaning of regained King Charles Spaniel. As the name suggests, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a spaniel species to which Papillon and American Cocker Spaniel belong. The Cavalier is a small dog that is slightly larger than its height and has a well-balanced body shape. It features large drooping ears, large eyes, a flat forehead, and a long muzzle. The secret of its popularity is that it has a gentle expression and loves humans. Size. The height of the Cavalier is 30 to 33 cm and the weight is about 5 to 8 kg. Although it is classified as a small dog, it is larger than the Chihuahua miniature Dachshund, which is generally called a small dog. Cavalier have a relatively long life expectancy of 9 to 14 years. Cavalier coats come in 4 colors: black and tan, black and reddish brown, ruby, reddish brown, tricolor, reddish brown, black and white, and plain hip, maroon stops on a white background. It features long, silky, smooth coats and maybe wavy. When it is about 3 years old, you will start to see ornamental hair on your eyes, legs and chest. Since it is a double-coated dog breed, a lot of hair will come off during the hair change period. Daily brushing is essential. Head: a small flat skull between the ears with a shallow stop. The muzzle is in the form of a cone. The distance from the tip of the muzzle to the stop is not more than 3.8 cm. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel has long, high-set ears. The outer side of the ear canal is covered with abundant silk-type hair. The eyes are round without noticeable bulging, large and very dark. The lobe is large, of uniform black color. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniels have powerful jaws with a scissor bite. The lower teeth are completely overlapped by the upper ones. The neck is normal length, slightly curved. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel are virtually immune to mood swings. Affectionate and lively, they are on a positive wave 24 hours a day. Both adult dogs and puppies are highly dependent on humans. Individuals experiencing a lack of master's attention and remaining alone for a long time can be dirty and cause a mess. The purchase of a second gentleman particularly solves the problem. It is easier for two animals to cope with bedroom, leadership, and the desire to dominate the qualities that Cavalier Kings have never heard of. So they never fight other dogs for spheres of influence. Representatives of this breed are typical extroverts, seeing in everyone they meet as a future friend whom they are happy to entrust with any secrets. Pets love tactile contact. Ironing, flapping, scratching the Cavalier King Charles Spaniels is not only permissible but also very desirable. For this reason, dogs get close to children. They are not annoyed by too strong hugs of babies. Moreover, animals are sincerely happy with them. Cavalier King Charles Spaniels get along easily with cats, but the representatives of the purring fraternity are not always ready to put up with the presence of these annoying handsome men on their territory. Most of the Cavalier kings have retained hunting instincts inherited from their ancestors. So do not be indignant if the dog begins to actively pursue a lizard or kitten while walking. Several years ago, the popularity of the breed in Britain began to gradually decline, but in Russia, things are exactly the opposite. The interest of domestic breeders in Cavalier King Charles Spaniels has increased suddenly over the past couple of years. That's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. I will come with a new video for you very soon. Till then, stay happy and love the dogs.